A very good morning to all my dear children. Today is Thursday and it's turn to learn English. Children, in today's class, I'm going to teach you sounds of the letters A to Z along with the recognition of capital letters A to Z. Today I'm going to teach you to write capital N in the notebook along with its song. And children, today we are going to revise the 3 rhymes which we learnt earlier, and they were all things, Billy Boy and traffic lights. We will also recite the new rhyme, Little Jack Horner. So children, let's start our today's learning. Children, now let's learn and recognize capital letters A to Z with pictures. So let's start, children. You also speak with me. Now look here, children. This is capital A. A for apple. A for apple. Now comes B. B for ball. This is B. B for ball. Now comes C. C for cat. Meow. C for cat. The next letter is D. Look here, children. This is capital D and D for dog. This is dog. Now comes E, children. Look here. This is E. E for elephant. Now the next letter is capital F. F for fish. F for fish. Children, this is G. G for goat. Now comes H. H for hen. Children, the next letter is I. I for ice cream. We all love to eat ice cream in summers. Now comes J. J for jug. Children, after J, this is K. K for kite. Next letter is L. This is L. L for lion. Now comes M. M for mango. Summer is the season of mango. M for mango. Now comes N. N for nest. The bird lives in a nest. Children, this is O. O for orange. Now comes P. P for parrot. Children, the next letter is Q. Q for queen. Now comes R. R for rabbit. This is S. S for ship. Now comes T. This is capital T. T for tiger. The tiger. This is a tiger. Children, this is capital T. T for tiger. Now comes U. U for umbrella. The next letter is V. V for van. Now comes W. W for watch. Children, this is X. X for Xmas tree. Children, this is capital Y. Y for yak. And now comes the last letter. This is Z. Z for zebra. Children, in this way, you have to learn to read and recognize capital letters A to Z with the help of picture. Children, now it's time to revise phonic songs of the letters A to M. And today I am going to introduce a song of letter N also. And then we will revise the sounds of the letters O to Z. Okay? In this way, this is the whole revision process of today. A. A says A. Ants on my arms. Ants on my arms. It's causing me alarm. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. C. We are clicking castanets. Ka. C says ka. D. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is a lots of fun with a da. D says da. Now comes E. Eggs in the pan. Cracks the eggs like this. E says F. F says my friend and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out. F says. Now children, G. G says G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 G. G says G. Now comes H. The song of H is I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. H says hop. Now comes I. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is all over the desk. Inky is wet. I says E. Now children, J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat? Will it? Ja. So J says J. Now comes K. This is kicking K. Kites are flying in the sky. K. Kites are flying in the sky. K. So K says K. Kite. Now children, L. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. L says L. Now comes M. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. So M says Now children, today we will learn song of the letter N. Children, N says and it seems like the sound of aeroplane. So its song is hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. When aeroplane comes down, it makes lots of noise and it seems like So now you know आपने इसका sound. So N says Now children, O says O as orange. P says P as parrot. Q says Q as queen. The sound of Q is Q. R says R as rabbit. This is S says S as snake. T says T as telephone, as tiger. U says as umbrella. V says V as van. Now comes W says V as water, as watch. Now comes X. The sound of X is X. Y says Y as yak, yellow. Now comes Z says Z as zebra. Children, in this way you have to learn the songs and sounds of the letters A to Z the way I taught you. Children, today I am going to teach you to write capital N. And now look here, this is N for nail. Nail means keel. And N for nest, where the birds lay eggs. The house of birds is known as nest. Children, there are so many other things which start with the letter N. Have a look. Children, look here. This is capital N and this is small n. N for nest, N for nose, N for net, N for nurse, and N for nut. Let's say it one more time. N for nest, N for net, N for nose, N for nurse, and N for nut. And the sound of N is Children, now look here. This is today's date. Today is 8th July 2021. Now children, I am going to teach you to write N. Look here. First you have to put your pencil on the red line. You have to make a standing line till the second blue line like this. Leave some gap. Again, make one more standing line like this. Now children, leave your hand. Now again, go up on the first standing line. From here, you have to make a slanting line till the second standing line and on this point. Look here, you have to join it like this. Okay? And this way, you have to write capital N. So, two standing lines and one slanting line like this. In this way, you have to write capital N. And I know you all can write. Look here. Two standing lines and one slanting line. You have to start from the red line. You have to go till the second blue line. Again, one more standing line. And then this slanting line will start from the red line and it will go till here. Like this. In this way, children, you have to write capital N. Now I will show you how you will write in your notebook. Children, now it's time to write capital N in the notebook. First, you have to write today's date. Today is 8th July 2021, like this. Alright. Now see children, I have written in the first line which you have to see. Now see how I'm writing. Put your pencil on the red line. From here, you have to make a standing line like this. Then remove your hand. Leave some gap. Now again, make one more standing line till the second blue line. Now remove your hand. Go back on the first standing line. From here, you have to make a slanting line and you have to join this second standing line like this. Okay? In this way, you have to write capital N. So, two standing lines and one slanting line like this. See. In this way, you have to write capital N. See, like this. And in this way, you have to finish the first line. See. So, two standing lines. This is the first line. Leave some gap. And then make another standing line. Then from here, from the first standing line, you have to make a slanting line and you have to join it with the second standing line like this. Children, in this way, you have to write capital N. Look here. I'm in the last line. And see how I'm writing. Write neatly. And slowly. Okay. See. Two standing lines and one slanting line. So, children, in this way, you have to finish one page of N, write it properly, take its picture and send it to me. Children, now it's time to do practice work. So in practice work, what we are going to do? We are going to write बड़ी E in the हिंदी notebook. ये देखो, ये आपकी हिंदी की नोटबुक है. बड़ी E, बड़ी से क्या होता है? बड़ी से ईक. ये देखो. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? We have to write today's date. और आज की डेट है 8th July 2021. Like this you have to write. बड़ी लिखने से पहले सबसे हमें क्या लिखेंगे? हम पहले हम छोटी ई लिखेंगे. पहले हमने छोटी ई बनाया और जहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था वहाँ से एक हुक बनाया और छत लगा दी, तो ये क्या बन गया? बड़ी ई. वेरी इजी, इजंट इट? तो अगर आपको पहले छोटी ई लिखना आता है तो पहले छोटी लिखेंगे, फिर यहाँ से एक हुक बनाएंगे और इसके ऊपर छत लगाएंगे. अब छोटी ई कैसे लिखेंगे? ये देखो, आप ब्लू लाइन से सबसे पहले एक छोटी सी लाइन बनाई, सी बनाया, उल्टा सी बनाया और उसकी एक छोटी सी पूंछ निकाल दी ऐसे, और फिर छत लगाई और हुक बना दिया. ठीक है, इस तरह से बड़ी ई लिखेंगे. और ये जो है दोनों ब्लू लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, आपको इन दोनों ब्लू लाइन के बीच में ही लिखना है बड़ी ई. तो पहले हमने छोटी ई लिखा, यहाँ से एक हुक बनाया और फिर छत लगा दी. इस तरह से बड़ी ई। ये आपको आपकी हिंदी की नोटबुक में 1 पेज लिखना है। ध्यान से देखेंगे, ऐसे साफ साफ, सुंदर सुंदर। ऐसे। एंड आई होप आप सबको आता है छोटी और बड़ी लिखना, है ना। देखो ऐसे फर्स्ट लाइन फिनिश कर ली। अब हम सेकेंड लाइन में आ गए, तो छोटी लिखा, यहां से एक हुक बनाया और छत लगा दी, ऐसे। तो बच्चों इस तरह से हमको बड़ा ई लिखना है। देखो आप पहले छोटा ई पहले छोटी ई बनाई, फिर उसके ऊपर एक हुक बनाया और फिर छत लगा दी, इस तरह से। देखो स्टैंडिंग लाइन, सी, उल्टा सी और एक उसकी पूंछ, फिर हुक बनाया और छत लगा दी। इस तरह से बन गया बड़ा ई। और ये है लास्ट ब्लॉक। इस तरह से 1 पेज बड़ा ही लिखना है, पूरा डेट के साथ, और इसके पिक्चर मुझे भेजनी है। Children, now it's time to practice our rhyme Little Jack Horner with action. So let's start it. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." Let's say it one more time. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating his Christmas pie. He put in his thumb and pulled out a plum and said, "What a good boy am I." Children, we have practiced the rhyme Little Jack Horner. Now it's time to revise the rhyme which we learned earlier, and they were all things, Billy Boy and traffic lights. It's time to revise them also. So the first rhyme is all things. The title of my poem is All Things. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good Lord made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, He made their glowing colors, He made their tiny wings. In this way, children, you have to revise this rhyme. Now it's time. Children, now let's revise our next rhyme, Billy Boy. You also speak with me, okay? Billy Boy Blue, come, blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Is that the way you mind your sheep? Under the haystack, fast asleep. Let's recite it one more time. Billy Boy Blue, come, blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Is that the way you mind your sheep? Under the haystack, fast asleep. Children, now the last rhyme for the day. Traffic lights. Red light, what do you say? I say stop, stop, stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait, wait, till the light goes green. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go, go right away. Children, in this way you have to learn and revise all these rhymes. So try to learn it, make your video on it and send it to me. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.